Wera Tools, German manufacturer of probably the best socketry, screwdrivers and screwdriving bits and holders. This is a super little set. Not only is it a great set in its own right, but it genuinely introduces you to the whole family of the Wera products. With all Wera products, it comes superbly packaged, as you can see from the box. Tells you its quality, everything on there, the icons, information on the back as well. Lift the lid and straight away you see that this genuinely is best in class. You have here a wallet which holds all the products in there. This is not pad printed, this is a full rubberized raised sticker. Obviously you can feel the quality of the case. It has a Velcro back on there as well with a fixing strap, so if you have a toolbox or a work cabinet you can stick that on and it'll hold the set in place, so it's always there ready when you need it. Great little features. And then we come to the business end and you will see straight away this genuinely is a fantastic toolkit. You've got something of everything that Wera do. It's the best of what they do. They have a range of spanners. The Joker range of spanners are really clever. They have a self-holding feature on there, so it stops the spanner shearing off the nut. So you can actually run that down a threaded rod while it's on the nut. It holds it in place. Really clever. 10 and 13 mil, two of the most popular sizes there. You have a mains tester, the Cyclops socketry range, a quarter drive which takes all the sockets. Again, it's called Cyclops because it looks like the one eye. The great thing with this is it's obviously works like a standard ratchet, forward and reverse. You've got a bi-material soft grip handle. You have a little piece on there, spinner, so that you can actually spin the item quickly. And what this does, this allows you to actually angle the head of the ratchet so it can actually become a socket item or even for a screwdriver bit. So again, if you want to tighten something up quickly, you've got that feature, and then you can obviously hand tighten it as well. Takes the screwdriver adapters. So that's the superb quarter drive Cyclops ratchet handle. They do a full range of these right up to 1/2 inch as well. You have an extension piece which goes in there to give you a little bit more extension. You can see a full range of sockets, 5.5 mil all the way up to 13. This is stitched into the case as well. It's not printed, it's stitched in there. The sockets are all individually held in place. So again, super. They think of everything. Absolutely. You need to actually go and see one of these sets. They are beautiful quality. And then you have this, which again is not just for electricians, but for anybody who needs screwdrivers. This is a 12-piece screwdriver set. So you've got TORX, flats, Pozis and Phillips screwdrivers here. They're actually all VDE tested, so they're actually applicable up to 1,000 volts live. They're all individually tested to 10,000 volts. Take the blade out, insert it into the Kraftform handle. It's a bi-material handle, so you've got soft pads and hard, so obviously you get complete torque on that. To release it, pull it back. So you've got a 12-piece screwdriver set within this kit. This genuinely is best in class products from probably the best manufacturer of screwdriver bits, screwdrivers, spanners and sockets. Wera Tools in Germany. Pop into a Real Deal stockist, have a look at one of these for yourself.